Hey guys, Michael here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your ideas into playlists with the Spotify AI playlist. Now to use this, it's currently available only on the mobile app. This isn't currently available on the web app and Spotify PC app. And once you have Spotify opened, you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And here you will see AI playlist. Tap on this and this will bring you here. Once here, in this section where it says tell me idea, enter the description of the songs you want to listen to in your playlist and then tap on send in this section. This will start generating you a list of songs. Now on all the songs that has been generated, you see the plus and minus icon around them. If you want to remove a song from the playlist, you can tap on the minus icon and this will remove it from the playlist. If you want a song to still remain in the playlist while you refine the song, you can tap on the plus icon here and this will do exactly just that. To refine the songs or add more songs, you can tap in this section here again and then give it a command. Once you're done, tap on send. This will add more songs to your playlist or refine the playlist. Once you're satisfied with the outlook, tap on create in this section and this will create a playlist, and the playlist will also be saved to your music library. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on. So let me know in the description what kind of video you'd like to watch next.